Good morning students, standard 7, subject maths, chapter number 8, algebraic expression and operation on them. In last period, we learned about the equation, how in one variable and how it is solved. In this period, we learn about word problem. In word problem, it is necessary to form an equation from given information in a word problem. Then how to form equation? First thing, if we know some algebraic formulas, then we can solve these examples. Means it is necessary to know about algebraic formulas or various formulas in mathematics. Second thing, in word problem, some words are given. These words guide us about the operation of algebraic expression or which operation we can do in given algebraic expression or in a word problem. If we learn about these words very carefully, you can form an equation from word problem. Which words guide us about algebraic operation? We see these words. Suppose in given word problem, the words like credit, more, greater, total, together, after some years means 2 years, 3 years or any years, after some years. Like these words are given in word problem, the operation is addition. The words like debit, less, smaller, before some years, the operation is subtraction. The words like twice, thrice, 4 times, into, or one must thing is to find the value of many things when the value of one thing is given, the operation is multiplication. Fourth thing, to do the part of anything or divide the thing in many parts. To find the value of one thing when the value of many things is given, the operation is division. You studied these words neatly, you can form an equation from word problem or the given information in a word problem. First we read the problem. The length of rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice its width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50 centimeter, find its length. We read that example one time. Then, first thing, find its length. Means it is necessary to find the value of length. Second thing, to solve that example or to form an equation, it is necessary to know the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Then third thing, we take a variable or we use a variable for the value of length and breadth. Then how we choose the variable for length or breadth? Then see here, the length of rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the breadth. Means the value of length is compared to breadth. The comparison of value of length to breadth. Then the comparison to breadth, we take one variable for the breadth of the rectangle. Then we write here, let. How to solve? Let the breadth of rectangle be x centimeter. Then read again a single sentence. A length of rectangle is 1 centimeter more. More means addition. Whose? Then twice its breadth. Twice means the multiple factor on the multiplication. Then we convert that part into equation. How? Then the length of rectangle is, firstly, twice its breadth. Breadth shows by x. Twice x means 2x. And more, 1 centimeter more. More means addition, plus 1 centimeter. That is the length of rectangle. The length of rectangle is 2x plus 1 centimeter. Means we convert the length of rectangle with the help of breadth of rectangle. Then again read the next part. If the perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then we put the given values in that formula. How? The perimeter of rectangle is given. What is the value of perimeter? 50 centimeter. We write here. Perimeter of rectangle 50 centimeter is equal to 2 in bracket. The length of rectangle. What is the length? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Plus breadth. What is the breadth? Plus x. We get the equation like this. 50 is equal to 2 into square bracket length 2x plus 1 plus breadth x. Then we solve that equation by interchanging the sides. 2 into bracket 2x plus 1 plus x. We remove the square bracket and write into round bracket is equal to 50. By interchanging the sides and remove the bracket, square bracket, then 2 into bracket. We can add the similar terms. 2x and x are the similar terms. Then 2x plus 1x, we get 3x plus 1 is equal to 50. Then we can transfer 2 from LHS to RHS. Then 3x plus 1 is equal to 50. 2 are multiple of that bracket. Then the relation gets changes when any term transfer from LHS to RHS. Then 2 are multiple here. Then we divide 50 by 2. Then we get 3x plus 1 is equal to 25. 50 are divided by 2, we get 25. Then we transfer the term plus 1 from LHS to RHS. The relation again changes like this. 3x is equal to 25 minus 1. Here the 1 is plus. Therefore 3x is equal to 24. Then the coefficient of x is transferred from LHS to RHS. The relation again changes like this. X is equal to 24. That is the multiple here. And when it changes the sign, it gets divided. Therefore, x is equal to 24 is divided by 3. We get 8. X is equal to 8. Then, see here. What is the x? The variable x is used for the breadth of the rectangle. And this question is find its length. Then how we find its length? We write here the breadth of rectangle x is equal to 8 centimeter. Then the length of rectangle what is the length of rectangle? See here 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Put the value of x here. 2x means 2 into x means 2 into the value of x is 8 plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 is equal to 70 centimeter. We find the value of length of the rectangle 70 centimeter. Example number 2. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? Means find the age of Rakesh as well as Sania. Then observe here. If we read here, you see that the Rakesh's age is compared to Sania's age. Here we use one variable to show the age of Sania. If we take that variable as x, how old are they? means to find their today's age. Then how to solve it? Let today's age of Sania be X years. Then today's age of Rakesh is, then read here, Rakesh age is less than whose age? Sania's age by 5 years. Less than means X minus 5. Read the words you are given first. X minus 5 years. See again. Today's age of Rakesh is X minus 5 years. Why? Given in word problem. Rakesh age is less than Sania by 5 years. Therefore, the today's age of Rakesh is X minus 5. Then next, the sum of their ages. Sum guide us about the algebraic operation. Sum means addition. Therefore, Sania's age is X and the today's age of Rakesh is X minus 5. Which operation? Take here plus, because the word sum shows it, is equal to how many years? 27. That is the equation we form from the given information in word. Then we solve this. We remove the bracket. X plus X minus 5 is equal to 27. X plus X are the similar term, means X plus X is equal to 2X minus 5 is equal to 27. Then we transfer the term 5 from LHS to RHS. The relation gets changes. 2X is equal to 27 minus 5 become plus 5. Therefore, 2X is equal to 32. Therefore, X is equal to, we transfer 2 from LHS to RHS. It gets divided. Therefore, X is equal to 60. Here, we got the value of X. Then, what is this question? How old are they? Means to find the age of Sania as well as age of Rakesh. Today's age of Sania is equal to, X is equal to 16 years. Sania is 16 years old. And today's age of Rakesh is equal to, see here, X minus 5. Put the value of X, 16 minus 5 is equal to 11 years. Rakesh's age is 11 years, means Rakesh is 11 years old. Example number 3. The sum of the two consecutive natural numbers is 69. Find the numbers. Then first we learn about some terms. Firstly, consecutive. In Marathi, it is called as kramane. लक्षात ठेवायला सोपं जाईल. कॉन्झिक्युटिव्ह नॅचरल. See here. We know the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay? Then observe here. The difference between two consecutive numbers, 1 and 2 are the consecutive, 2 and 3 are the consecutive, 3 and 4 are the consecutive. Then, what is the difference between two consecutive natural numbers? 1 and 2, 1. 2 and 3, what is the difference? 1. 3 and 4, the difference is means the consecutive numbers, natural numbers, the consecutive natural numbers, we observe here, the consecutive natural numbers are greater by 1. Each next consecutive number is greater by 1. Secondly, if you are given consecutive odd numbers, odd natural numbers, see here, odd numbers. You know odd numbers 1, 3, 5 and so on. Observe here, the difference between two consecutive odd number is 2. Means difference between two consecutive number is 2. Then, if we take consecutive even number, even natural numbers, see here, even 2, 4, 6, you know that these are the even numbers. Then observe again the difference between two consecutive even numbers, that is 2. To form an equation, this information is necessary for it. Then we solve the example. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers. We don't know which are these two natural numbers. Then from this we take one consecutive number, let one consecutive natural number b. You can take any variable b x. Then the next consecutive natural number is x plus 1, because the difference between two consecutive natural number is 1. Therefore, if the first number is x, then the next number is x plus 1. Then learn here. Read again. The sum of two consecutive numbers. Firstly, we write these two consecutive numbers. Then read again. The sum of two consecutive numbers means the operation is guide from that word. Sum means addition. Means x plus 1 What is the sum? That is 69. Then we form an equation from given information. X plus 1 is equal to 69. Then we solve the equation. Therefore, x plus x are the similar term. 2x plus 1 is equal to 69. Therefore, 2x, we transfer the plus 1 from LHS to RHS is equal to 69 minus 1. The relation gets changes. Therefore, 2x is equal to 68. Then transfer the coefficient of x is 2. X is equal to 68 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 68 is divided by 2. We got 34. Then, first consecutive natural number is x is equal to 34. Then which is the next? Second. Therefore, second consecutive number natural number is, see here, the second number is x plus 1. X plus 1. Put the value of x. 35 plus 1 is equal to, 34 plus 1 is equal to 35. Then these two consecutive numbers, 34 and 35.